Birds, 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 swooping down to attack the humans. Then the evil frog goes to say, "Don't attack those two cool people. This is the national bird song." Yeah! Birds, 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 swooping down to attack people. Then I say, "Don't attack me, birdies. I want to give you food." And the birds say, "How about no? I just want my frogs." "Frogs?" the humans say. "Yes, frogs, of course. Don't ask how these birds and frogs can talk." "Oh, whoa, whoa, I want some food. How about no? Give me this food." Birds, 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 swooping down. Then a human comes and says, "Get away, evil birds, birds, birds." That is a national bird song. Hope you enjoyed.